Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made a simple kurkure bhindi. Slice bhindi into thin long strips. Add in salt, garam masala powder, red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and mix it really well. Add in gram flour and rice flour. The complete recipe is in the description below. Add in a little bit water, mix well, deep fry till golden brown. That's it. Your kurkure bhindi is done. Now let's make Nendran banana roast. Take Kerala banana. That is what you have to use in this recipe. Cook the banana in butter or ghee till it is well caramelized. Add in sugar. You could use jaggery. Toss it really well. That's it. Your banana roast is done. Now let's make a quick curd rice. I used some curd and milk to make the curd rice. Now let's pack the lunchbox. I added curd rice, kurkure bindi, egg and banana roast is in her snacks box. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.